Welcome back to the second video of our series on fun Montessori activities to boost early learning. Today, we'll focus on practical life activities that you can easily incorporate into your home routine. These activities not only make learning fun, but also help develop your child's independence, fine motor skills, and concentration.
Practical life activities are essential in Montessori education. They teach children everyday skills, fostering a sense of independence and responsibility. These activities also improve fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and concentration. Let's look at some simple yet effective practical life activities you can try at home.
First, let's start with pouring. This activity helps children develop control and coordination. Begin with a small jug and a glass. Demonstrate how to pour the water carefully without spilling, then encourage your child to try it. This not only enhances their fine motor skills, but also boosts their confidence. Pouring activities can involve liquids of any kind, or even dry materials, like beans. These activities can range from simple to complex, allowing children to gradually develop their skills. Examples of pouring activities: pouring water from one jug into another jug, pouring water from a jug into different containers of varying sizes, pouring water from a jug into 2 or 3 different containers, starting with larger beans and pouring them from one container to another, progressing to smaller beans and pouring them into containers of different sizes.
Dressing frames. Next, we have dressing frames such as buttons, zippers, buckles, hook and eye closures, and bow frames. Use these dressing frames or actual clothing items for practice. Show your child how to button, unzip, buckle, and tie, then let them to try. These activities strengthen fine motor skills and promote self-care.
Here are some more practical life activities you can try at home to further boost your child's early learning and development. Washing dishes. Washing dishes is a wonderful activity that promotes cleanliness and responsibility. Provide a basin with water, a sponge, child-safe soap, and some small dishes. Demonstrate how to wash the dishes, then let your child try. This activity also strengthens hand muscles and coordination.
Sweeping helps children learn to care for their environment. Use a child-sized broom and dustpan to teach your child how to sweep a small area. This activity fosters responsibility and attention to detail.
Food preparation. Food preparation activities are both practical and enjoyable. Use a child-safe knife and cutting board and start with soft fruits or vegetables like bananas or cucumbers. Demonstrate safe cutting techniques and supervise your child as they help prepare snacks. This builds practical skills and confidence.
Folding clothes. Folding clothes is an excellent way to promote order and independence. Use small pieces of cloth or clothing items. Teach your child how to fold towels, napkins, or their own clothes. This activity enhances their fine motor skills and sense of responsibility.
Conclusion. Practical life activities are an excellent way to boost early learning at home. By incorporating these fun and educational tasks into your daily routine, you help your child develop essential skills and foster a love for learning. Stay tuned for more Montessori activities in our series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on Montessori activities and early childhood development. Share your experiences and favorite activities in the comments below.